Hey everyone, let's be real. There are thousands of AI tools out there, right? But today, I'm revealing the one AI tool that's about to make you absolutely unstoppable. No, I'm not exaggerating. This is the game changer you've been waiting for. So what's the secret weapon? Meet ChatGPT by OpenAI. You might have heard the name, but trust me, you don't know its full power yet. I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can literally supercharge your productivity, creativity, your career. First up, productivity. Imagine you've got a mountain of emails, reports, assignments. ChatGPT can draft, summarize, reply in seconds. Need a killer presentation? Just tell ChatGPT your topic and boom. Outline, key points, catchy lines. It's like having a super smart assistant who never sleeps. But wait, there's more. Creativity block? Gone. Whether you're writing a blog, scripting a video, brainstorming for your business, ChatGPT throws out suggestions, catchy hooks, and polishes your language. I use it to spark ideas for my own videos all the time. It's like having a creative partner who's always ready to help. And here's the best part. ChatGPT isn't just for techies or writers. Students, entrepreneurs, marketers, teachers. Stuck on a math problem? Need to translate something? Want to practice for an interview? ChatGPT has your back. Is it really that easy? Yes. Type what you need, hit enter, and let ChatGPT do its magic. It keeps getting smarter, learning from every conversation. Favorite hack? Train it to match your style. Feed it a few samples of your writing. Soon it'll sound just like you. No more generic emails or boring bios. Everything feels personal and unique. Want to stand out, save time, unlock your full potential? ChatGPT is the tool you need in your digital toolbox. Don't wait. Jump in, experiment, watch how unstoppable you become. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, tell me in the comments what you'll use ChatGPT for. Thanks for watching. Your unstoppable journey starts now.